Hello, I am Anjit Suhag and welcome to MudgarClub, where we talk about our traditional practices such as Mudgar, Gada and Samtola practices. And not only talk, we learn as well that how we can practice it in the real life. So in this video, we are gonna learn a movement which you can start as an absolute beginner. If you don't know anything about the Mudgar practice and looking for the first movement which you can practice or start with the Mudgar, then this video is for you. The absolutely first video or the first movement you should learn. In the last video, we learned that how to hold the Mudgar properly with the double hand. So I will suggest you that you watch that video first and learn how to hold the Mudgar properly. Then come on this video to learn your first Mudgar swing, which is gonna be the front lower 360. As you are able to understand from the name only, the 360, front lower 360, it means we have to make a one circle of 360. This is a very simple movement in which we just drop the Mudgar to the one side and bring it back from the another side back to the starting position. So it's just dropping to the one side, to the left side or to the right side, and then bring it back to the starting position again. So we make a simple 360 circle with the Mudgar. We make a simple 360 circle, maybe left to right or right to left we can go. So in this way, we are gonna just make a simple one circle of 360. We call it front lower 360 movement. And just the name to remember the movement easily. Otherwise, you can call it with the any other name, whichever makes it possible for you to remember the swing. It's just my name, our name, like we call it front lower 360 because it's easy to remember it with this name. So the first thing is that what should be the starting holding position. As I said in the last video, we learned about the starting holding position for beginning movements. We are going to hold the Mudgar in the middle line of the chest with the double hand, and the hand will be in the elbow and hand angle should be at least 90 degree, and we will keep the Mudgar near to our body. So this is gonna be the starting holding position. Now which hand should be down or which hand should be up? It is like we are gonna follow the down hand rule. It means in whichever hand is down, we will drop the Mudgar to that side. But this is not a universal rule. If you can do the opposite as well. The only purpose is that we should train our both side of muscles equally, properly. So after every single round, we have to change the hand, and there is not a universal hand that which hand should be down or which hand should be up. So in this video, in our practice, we will follow the down hand rule. It means we will keep the left hand down, and if the left hand is down, we will drop the Mudgar to the same side, means left side. If the right hand is down, we will drop the Mudgar to the right side. So in this is gonna be our starting position. Let's start by keeping our left hand down first. So as we keep the left hand down, we take the Mudgar to the left side and then drop it, make a complete circle, bring it to the right side, and then bring it back to the starting position. So left to right, left to right. In this, there are 2-3 basic possible mistakes a beginner can do. The first thing is that the purpose of Mudgar practice we have to understand. The purpose of Mudgar practice is our joints health, the mobility. It means we have to get the complete extension of our joints, of our muscles, then only our purpose will be complete. So it means if I lock my elbow inside my body, then still I'm making a 360 circle, but I'm not getting any extension of my shoulder. It means when we are doing front lower 360, we are keeping the left hand down. So as the Mudgar is going to the left side, so my right elbow is getting complete straight and I'm getting the complete extension on my right shoulder. And as my left elbow is bending, so I'm holding the Mudgar mostly with the left hand and the right hand, so extension is happening. So from here, the complete extension of my right shoulder, then dropping the Mudgar, swing, swing, swing. And as we are coming to the right side, so my left elbow is getting straight, and then I'm getting the complete extension of my left shoulder, my left hand, and then bring it back again to the starting position. It means the first mistake you have to avoid, that don't lock your elbow inside to your body. The swing will not be with the locking elbow. You have to get the complete extension with the Mudgar, with the swing, and then come back to the other side. So it will be complete extension both side, not just only one side. So don't lock your elbow, open your elbow, extend your shoulder, and then we will do the front lower 360, left to right, again starting position, left to right. The second possible mistake a beginner can do in this swing is the core, is the spine. So as a beginner completely, there are possibility that we don't have that much control on our spine. So there are chances that when the swing is happening, Mudgar is going down, we get a bend in our spine this way. Swing, so our spine is getting bent because the Mudgar weight is pulling us towards down when the Mudgar is going down. So this we have to avoid. So whenever we are doing the front lower 360, our spine should not get any bend during the swing. It should stay straight and keep the control over your core. When the swing is happening, there should not be any bend in our spine. So this is the second possible mistake you have to avoid, that keep your core tight and there should not be any bend during the swing. And the third possible mistake a beginner can do in the front lower 360 is the continuous swing. So as we do the swing of front lower 360, it should not be like in continuous swing, 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 swing. After every single swing, take a small pause in the starting position. So it should be like swing, take a pause, swing, take a pause, swing, take a pause. So after every single swing, we have to take a small pause in the practice, in the swing. After every single swing, take a pause, because then only we will be able to synchronize the breathing with the movement. Now, after learning, understanding all the movement, how should be our breathing in this moment? How should be our breathing? So, the breathing pattern we will follow a very simple one. We will inhale during the swing and exhale while we are taking a small pause. It means as when we start the swing, so inhale, 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 and while we are taking a small pause, here we will exhale. So inhale during the swing, exhale during the pause. Inhale during the swing, exhale during the pause. So inhale during the swing and exhale during the pause. So this simple breathing pattern we are gonna follow. Inhale during the swing and exhale during the pause. Now, after understanding all the movement, all the basic mistakes we have to avoid, the breathing pattern we will follow. And as a beginner, you can do the 4 rounds of this practice, and in each round you can do 27 number of swings or 30. It is not compulsory. You are a free human being. You can do 20, you can do 25, whatever is your wish and whatever you are comfortable with. So you can do 4 to 6 rounds and you can do the swings up to 20, 25, 27, 30, whatever feels more comfortable for you as a beginner. So let's do the two rounds together, one round each side. Each side means after every one round we will change the hand, left hand down, then right hand down. So in each round we will go for 27 number of swings. So grab your Mudgar, come to the starting position, open your legs in the shoulder line only, not too much wide, not too much close. The starting holding position, Mudgar will be in the middle line of the chest, down and near to our body, and keep the core tight. There should not be any bend in the spine when you are swinging it, and nostril breathing only. In the first round, we are keeping left hand down, right hand up. If the left hand is down, the swing will go left to right, left to right. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 7 more. Come on. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and the last one, 27. Good. Now we will do the second round. So practice with me. Change your hand in the second round. Take the right hand down, left hand up. If the right hand is down, the swing will go right to left, right to left. Come on, 27 swings again. Ready? Core tight, nostril breathing. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 7 more. Come on. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and the last one, 27. 7. Good, very good. So this was the basic practice of front lower 360. We did 2 rounds. Now you can continue your practice. You can do 4 rounds, 6 rounds, 8 rounds. But as this is the first moment as a beginner you are doing, I will not recommend more than 4 rounds, and gradually improve and increase the time of your practice. But on the first time, first day, if you are doing, then 15 minutes or 20 minutes of practice will be enough. Now, the YouTube video is fine, you are learning from the YouTube is fine, but there are still possible or higher chances that you may be making some mistake in the swing or doing something wrong, and definitely we can't see you that what you are doing and what you are not doing. So if you want to learn from the live classes, from the online live classes, then I take the live classes as well. And not only Mudgar, I take the combination of Mudgar and the Sena board combination of the practice. So if you want to learn in the proper way in the live classes, where I will be able to see you, correct you, and see how your practice is going on, even if you are making some mistake, I can correct you, then you can go on our website MudgarClub.com, and there you can see the class details, that what you are gonna learn and how you are gonna learn, and you can join those classes if you want to learn in the proper pattern, and where you want that I correct you if you do something wrong. So you can join those live classes. Otherwise, if you have less time, then YouTube videos are fine. At least you are practicing, that is a good thing. And we also make the really good premium Mudgar and other equipment as well. If you are looking to buy some really good quality Mudgar, then you can still go on our website MudgarClub.com and buy from there. And if you really find this channel meaningful and our content meaningful and helpful for you, then you can subscribe, or I will say more than subscribe, you can share to your other friends who wants to start the Mudgar practice. Maybe they get some help from our content. Thank you.